We're gonna be making over, this was a frame. Debbie actually found this frame when we were in Coronado. It is gorgeous how it is. We're gonna completely change it. This is a 4-pack. Y'all, you know, I just adore these prints under TH Decor or Decoupage Queen. And it's the Crowned Birds 4-pack. I just grabbed the back of a scrapbook pack. Okay, so just the difference, like if we put that on, it's kind of like, eh. But you put that white background behind it, just like if you're decoupaging, just makes those colors pop. I think that's gonna be really pretty in there, personally. Okay, we'll go pink. Okay, y'all, we're doing it. I think we will fine line crackle these spots because I think it'll kind of tie it all in. Okay, so the fine line crackle, it's available on my link tree under TH Decor. It's 2-part system. Incredible. But you're gonna start with part 1. So I am just going to use it on these spots. We're gonna let that cool for just a moment. Okay, step 2, we're going on step 2. So, I mean, I'm pretty generous with it. I see where some people barely put it on. You wanna get your product on there. Okay, y'all, it is starting to crackle. And while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and come in with some of the DIY liquid patina. Mara's Secret Sauce. You can get it at vintageretailtherapy.com. I'm going in with it because when I put that antiquing glaze on there, or antiquing gel, yes, the antiquing gel, I want to be able to pull it back, and this sets a really good barrier on there where you're able to pull it back. I'm using this on the area I did not fine line crackle. This does not have anything to do with fine line crackle. This is just a top coat. Let me grab a paper towel so we can get our wax on there. Okay, I think we are gonna go with the bronze. Okay, so I just went in with the antique paste in the color bronze brass. And then we're gonna come in, pull that back off. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, look at those beautiful, there you go, there's a good shot. Beautiful. So now you can see where we have, oh, I love that we went with a fine line crackle. All right, so now I'm gonna come in with this, it's the Pintar Antiquing, I always wanna call it a glaze, Antiquing Gel, Pintar Antiquing Gel, and this is the brown. And we're going in. People are like, ah, no, stop. I promise. Rub and buff. It was Pintar Antique Paste. Pintar Antique Paste. So with this, I am gonna use my finger and just come in and highlight this just to draw in, you know, from where we added it on the fine line crackle. So look at the difference. Oh my goodness. And of course we're gonna add, these are the pieces I chose. They're the double. Wax all over me. But they are the double fleur-de-lis, and they have a curve to them, so I think they'll be absolutely beautiful. Now, again, just for the sake of having something in the frame, where did I put it? We are gonna add this. I'm not going to make it permanent. Okay, it's pretty stinking cute in there. So we're gonna B7000 and hot glue. Okay, I'm gonna see. I don't wanna hold it up too straight up and down, but can y'all see? Look, don't you think that's just enough bling? Schedule. I love y'all, and I will see you soon. Be blessed.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.